In today's video, I'm going to teach you Airtable Automations. We'll walk through the basic process of creating a simple automation inside Airtable, from opening your base all the way to turning the automation on. If you're new to automations, don't worry. The goal here is to help you understand not just what to click, but also what each part is doing, so the setup feels much more intuitive. To begin, open your Airtable base. This is the workspace where your tables, records, and fields already live, and it's also where your automation will be built. Before you start, it helps to have a clear idea of what task you want Airtable to handle automatically. That way, the setup will make more sense as you go. Once you're inside the base, click the Automations section. This is the area where Airtable lets you create workflows that react to changes in your data or perform actions for you in the background. Think of this as the control center for anything you want to automate. From there, create a new automation. Starting a new automation gives you a blank workflow to build on. This is where you'll define both the event that starts the automation and the result you want Airtable to carry out. Next, choose your trigger. The trigger is what starts the automation. In other words, it's the event Airtable waits for before doing anything else. This could be a change to a record, the creation of a new entry, or another event inside your base. Choosing the right trigger is important because it determines when your automation will run. After that, choose your action. The action is the task Airtable performs after the trigger happens. This is the outcome of the automation, and it should directly match the workflow you're trying to streamline. As you set this up, make sure the action logically follows the trigger you selected. Now, map the fields. This means inserting Airtable record fields into the action so the automation uses the correct data from your base. Field mapping is one of the most important parts of the setup because it connects the information in your records to the task Airtable is performing. Take your time here and double check that each field matches the right place. Once everything is configured, test the automation. Running a test helps you confirm that the trigger and action work together the way you expect. If something looks off, this is the best time to adjust it before the automation goes live. Finally, turn on the automation. Enabling it allows Airtable to begin running the workflow automatically whenever the trigger conditions are met. And that's it. You've built an Airtable automation from start to finish.